rice cake dish, song start. Tteokbokki, 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 tteokbokki.
Hello everyone, I'm Joe Chef and today we're making ro제떡볶이. Tteokbokki is a street food from Korea which is very popular. It's a rice cake with a lot of chili paste. Recently, some people have started combining carbonara and tteokbokki and made it into a fusion Korean delicacy. It's called ro제떡볶이. And now, you know, with the hype of APT and rose, I decided to make rose APT Tteokbokki today. First, we're gonna put some olive oil. Toss the garlic in. Toss the scallions in. Then the chili pepper. Let's add the milk and the cream. The rice cake in. This is my favorite, fish cake. Some sausages. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Now this is an option, but I'm gonna put half a spoon of chicken powder. 2 spoons of gochujang or Korean chili paste. 1 tablespoon of syrup. Hundred grams of tomato paste. Adding cheddar cheese and a cup of mozzarella cheese. Does that look good or what? We'll let it simmer for a while until it becomes really thick. But if you like soup tteokbokki, you can have it just like this.
All you gotta do is dig into the
Wow, this looks good.